Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I will show you how to install CLIPCHAMP Video Editor for free. CLIPCHAMP Video Editor is a powerful video editing software by Microsoft and it's completely free to use and it is a cloud-based video editor. I'm creating a tutorial series on CLIPCHAMP Video Editing. I will send you the link in the I button. So let's get started. To install CLIPCHAMP Video Editor, you have to click on your Microsoft Store. So let's click on that. Once the Microsoft Store is loaded, go to the search bar and search for CLIPCHAMP. And here you can see this is the CLIPCHAMP Video Editor we are looking for. So we are going to click on that. As you can see, it has an option to install CLIPCHAMP Video Editor. So we are going to hit the install button to install the CLIPCHAMP Video Editor. So click install. Now, as you can see, the CLIPCHAMP Video Editor is installed. So I'm going to open it. So click on open. As you can see, the CLIPCHAMP Video Editor has opened and you have two options here. You can create a video or you can record something with your webcam or you can record your screen with CLIPCHAMP Video Editor. In CLIPCHAMP, you can record your screen and create a video, or you can import your media files and create a video. In the next videos, we'll discuss about recording the screen as well as creating new videos. If you like the content, please share and subscribe and see you in the next video.